Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the front section of your hair and start braiding it nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and braid it as shown in the video. Now make a bun out of it and then attach it nicely. It's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then start taking the smaller section of the remaining hairs and pull it inside out as shown. Now make the braids out of it and then attach it. It's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, braid it nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and take the smaller section out of it and then pull it inside out from the braid as shown in the video. Keep doing it and then attach it nicely into the bun as shown and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one, make a ponytail and then take two parts out of it and then take one part and divide your hairs into two sections. Now pull it inside out nicely and then take the remaining hairs and then repeat the exact same process we have done earlier. Now take another part and then cover it nicely as shown in the video. Now take it and pull it inside out nicely and it's all done. For this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. Now take another section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out as shown in the video. Now repeat the exact same process and then tie the remaining hairs into the bun as shown and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it and then divide your hairs into two sections. Now pull it inside out from both the sides. It will look like this. Now again repeat the exact same process we have done earlier. Now take the remaining hairs and wrap it around. Now take another remaining hairs and then roll it nicely. It's done. For the next one, take the side section of your hair and then braid it nicely and tie it with the help of the elastic. Now repeat the process from both the sides. Now take the remaining hairs and take the smaller strings out of it and then it will look like this. Now attach it all together and it's done. Cute, right? For the next one, take the half ponytail and then take the another section of your hair and then tie it nicely. It will make the three sections. Now braid the first section and then attach it nicely. Now take the second section and then wrap it around and then take the third section and repeat and it's done. Thanks for watching.